In this video, we talk about how to transfer emails from Entourage to Outlook with SysTools MBOX Converter. Here are the main features. Provide conversion of MBX and MBS file to different file formats. Capable to detect location of configured profile. Special features from MBOX to PDF conversion. Support all Windows versions including Windows 11. Let's start the video. Go to Google and enter SysTools MBOX Converter. Click on the link shown on your screen. To download the software, click on the download button, then install and run the software. This is an interface of the software. Click on the Add File button. Window open with some emails application options. Select your emails client. I am selecting Entourage. Again a window open. Here you see the Use Folder mode. If you select this option, Maintain Folder Hierarchy automatically enable. For now, I am going to browse the file by selecting the Browse button, select the file, and click on the Open button to proceed. Now you see the files are imported here. The file appears on the left side of the panel and the detailed information about the selected folder is displayed on the right-hand side of the software. Now select the mail. Exporting your mail is possible in two ways with the software: the Export Selected button and Export. Moving forward with Export button, now again a window open. On the left side of the window, you see the two options. Go with any option as per your need. Moving forward with Export All Folders. Select the export file format from the given options. I am selecting PST. Then, PST Split option provides you to split your data with given options such as MB and GB. Then with the Change button, select the save location of the file, and select the OK button to move. Click on the Export button to move forward. Now data start exporting. When it is done, click on the OK button. When the alert appears on the same window, click on the Report button. Here you will get the two options. If you move with the first option, you will get the PST file, means the end results of the process. And with Rest 1, you will simply get the success and fail count of the exported data.
And that's it. Hope you enjoy the video. Log on to the given product page for more details on purchasing the product. For any query, mail us at support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.